Okay, hey people. Sorry about the delay of the video, Skittles. I'm still working on it. Trying to make it really good. On a count of today, I am going to do some really random voice impressions of random things. The first one is Rigby from Regular Show. Okay. Hold on. I have a bad cough. I'm normally bad at it, but I'm trying. Duh, why wouldn't I be trying? Stop talking! See, that was like the worst thing ever. Yeah, really. Now let's try Mew from Pokemon. Mew. Wait, no, it goes like this. I can't do it. I can do an angry person like Benson from Regular Show. You better get in there! You must get in there! Or I'm gonna beat you with this stick! I don't know, it's just like a random angry person from like Britain or something, I don't know. I can do a dying sheep. I don't know what that was, but it felt really weird. I can kind of do Snarf from Thundercats. Snarf, 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 snarf. Ow, that hurt my throat. I can do my original character, Cauliflower. You mean to say that? You mean to say that you beat up a Pookie? You beat up a Pookie? You beat up a Pookie? He tends to repeat things randomly. I can do a retarded person crying, like I've demonstrated in a few of my videos. I can kind of do that dude in the top hat with the little glasses thing. I say we should go get some tater tots. I say yes. And that was very random, so yeah, it was. Anyway, thank you for watching.
La 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 la.